also my research area as well as my passion. So I'm actively researching and publishing papers in this field. When I first came to Vietnam, I was 10 years younger and a little bit more shy. So what happened is BUV said, let's put Mike onto the school posters. Good luck in your exams. Now, can anybody guess what would happen if you put a picture like this in schools? Any guesses? What happens to the picture? Yeah, this is what happens to it. Now, I wasn't mad about this. The only problem that I had was I wish I could grow as long and as beautiful as beard as they had given me on the picture. So, I'd like to start off with a show of hands. So just to get an understanding of what people know about AI. Who has heard of Chat GPT?
Chat GPT.
Put your hand up if you've heard of Chat GPT. Just heard of it. You ever heard of it? Yeah? Yeah? Heard of Chat GPT? Okay. Now keep your hand up if you have ever used Chat GPT. Okay, much smaller number. And then keep your hand up if you've ever used Chat GPT for educating your students. Okay, one person. I hope by the end of next week, if I ask the same question, all of you will be able to put your hand up. So what is AI? What things are we talking about? Now, the basic definition for AI, I've put it up here in Vietnamese for you as well, because AI isn't something that is new. When people talk about AI now, they don't really mean normal AI, because this is what AI means. Machines or software which can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence to do so, or that try and replicate what a human does. What people usually talk about when you hear the term AI now is they're talking about two different things. The first one of those is what we call large language models. Now, large language models are a form of computer system which are designed to understand and create text in a very human-like manner, so they can try and predict what words would likely come next in a sentence. Now, when you talk with Chat GPT, you're not talking with anybody, but it's an underlying model that allows it to understand the text in what we call a natural language setting. So when most people hear the term AI, and when we talk about AI now, what we're actually talking about is generative AI, Gen AI. Now, generative AI is a specific software tool which is used to create something new. Whereas traditional AI usage might be about understanding something or interpreting something, generative AI is about creating something. And most of you think about Chat GPT, just creating text. But that's not what generative AI is all about. Generative AI also has other elements. It can create images, video, animations, audio, lots of different things which can be created using generative AI tools and technology. So this is a really nice way to help understand AI as people talk about it. This is an iceberg, like the Titanic ran into. So let's think about the iceberg, and most of it is underwater. Those are the bits that you don't see. So those things are the data set.